Got the 41 Ford Deluxe Coupe up on the lift. I'll do a walk through on the undercarriage here, so you could take a look. But front and rear fenders were removed for the paint. Everything was stripped down. You know, it's really well done. You can see right here, it looks like somebody backed over something. There's a small dent there. Didn't crack the paint or anything like that. But looking at the rear quarters underneath, all looks really nice, clean. Let me turn on some light here. Try to get up and get some better views. So you can see the suspension. New brake kits were installed front and back, so the entire thing replaced. Those sets run about $500 a piece. The rear diff, this fill plug was leaking a little bit. I wiped that off, put some sealant on it, put it back in. So that should solve that issue. Does have a brand new tank installed, as well as fill hose. You know, looking up inside, you can see it's all painted on the inside of the body too, so no rust issues. Electric fuel pump installed, but still does have the mechanical. You know, same up on this side. It's a little dirty. Hard to keep these things clean. You got your vent line coming up right here. Passenger side, up inside the fender well. You know, you can see even the lip. It's really nicely sprayed. No mud or anything pushed down like usual. You know, looking at the passenger side running board. Let me see what looks better, without light or with. Oh, probably without. But no rust on the underside. Metal is all good condition. I'll come out here on the rubber side. Not much to see there. Frame. See the little red overspray, but no corrosion on it whatsoever. Coming up on the inside here, you can see some of that. Like how they route the exhaust through the frame right there. Pretty slick engineering. You know, looking up at the trunk, all the metal, original, all rust free. No signs of accidents or damage on the frame. There's your electric fuel pump. Put a good one in. We'll kind of drop down so you can see the whole view. New parking brake cables. All the brake lines were replaced on the soft side. Looking up at the floorboard here on the driver's side. Get you the floorboard on the passenger side up above the muffler there. Did put a new master cylinder in as part of the brake upgrade. Still manual brakes, obviously. Back up a bit here and show you the running board on this side. They use nice rubber bushings underneath all the bolts. Again, no rust under there. Transmission seal has been greased. Get a little more light for you. See a little bit of moisture on the tranny pan. Same thing, fill bolt was a little loose. I tightened it, didn't put any sealant on it, but that should solve the issue. Flathead V8. A little bit of moisture on the underside of the steering gearbox. Front suspension, bushings look good. New brakes too up front. Grease the kingpins. Get up in there. You can see up behind the fenders. Passenger side front. Does have the McLean true wire wheels on it. Tires are like new. Looking at the front valance, don't see any damage. Paint all looks good. Just dirty on there. Driver's side front wheel well, same thing. All sprayed, nice and black. Underside of the fenders. Inside fender well, up against the firewall. Radiator was rebuilt. So there you have it. Front end was aligned, tracks really nicely. Looks like a tiny drip right there on the coolant reservoir. I'll tighten those two, make sure that's stopped. Let me know if I missed anything, and we'll make sure to grab it for you.